I have a problem. It's this USB drive. It's actually 32 gigabytes, but it's only showing as 4.97 megabytes. So how do you fix this? First thing you do is you go to computer management, go to storage, disk management. This is a drive, I think it is. Delete that. I also want to get rid of this man prompt. Like that. Yes. I want to select disk 8. Part. Like part 1. Shows that it's selected. All deleted. Now the whole thing's freed up. I forgot to partition it. Stupid. Okay. Okay, now it works. Something in here. Let's make sure. Okay, so it's working now. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.